Let's see the gold, what has done yesterday, what we can expect today from the price, what we currently see on the chart. Yesterday the price formed a bearish candle. We can see that the price continued to lose its value from the yesterday and reached 3285.87 as support level. It is a confluence of support I have mentioned in the yesterday analysis. Feel free to check that analysis to see what kind of the levels I have I was trying to see, and also I was expecting to see from this gold against US dollar. If you take a look yesterday, we can see that the price has reached 3371.17, a price level, and from there the price was trying to make a bearish breakout. We can see that here, targeting the lower levels, and then we can see the price finally made that and touched this area of support. And after that, we can see the price has formed indecision candle, and that means the price has reached this area of a small support, which is this trend line acting as a support, where the price was finding its way to move up or down, and finally made its way with this strong bearish candle going all the way back down, reaching 3285.87. The price has gone even further down, all the way to just a minute, 3259.77, and from there the price was going back up. Now, if we take a look here on the 1 hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved. Yesterday we can see that the price, well, if you take a look here in the yesterday analysis, you will see that I have mentioned about potentially the price making a bearish breakout, going further down. If the price continues to lose its value, going further down, going down below, and I was expecting that the price will reach 3319.97 if the price makes a bearish breakout here below this area of support. This has been done and the price has reached it, and I have mentioned also yesterday analysis that there is a high probability that the price could reach this area of support if the price goes further down. This is something that the price has done. We can see the price is bouncing back up, returning back up, and then returning back down again. So you see how the price has behaved around this area of support and resistance. Yesterday, when the price formed this bearish breakout, this small bearish candle, this was also an information for the traders inside the premium analysis, and I have shared this information with them, where the target was again here around this area of support, and we can see that the price has continued to lose its value in the next hour, reaching that support, which was also a profitable trade for the traders. After that, the price formed several candles inside this range area, and then finally found its way out with this bullish candle. This was also a bullish breakout here. It can further rise in value, and we can see the price has done that, reaching the next resistance, 3353.02, and this is where the price currently is. What we can expect today? First of all, take a look here. This was a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame, and this has been broken. Just a minute to put this line here so we can see much more clearly how the price is currently behaving. This is the downtrend channel, which has been broken here, and the price is reversing back up. So we can say that this small downtrend that has been formed has been cancelled currently. Then we have a 4 hour time frame where we have a strong bullish candle formed from this support level, and it is currently reaching the next daily resistance level, 3371.17, and it is also broken this area of confluence of resistance. We can see between this horizontal resistance and this trend line, which is acting as a resistance. Now the price returning back down, where it will reach a confluence of support. The daily time frame shows me a bounce from this area of support, which is also an area where this confluence of support is. And what we can expect from today? First of all, we are at the very important levels. This one here, just a minute, the level 3371, and below that it is 3285. These two levels are very important ones that needs to be broken. And which one will be broken? It will be indication where the price is currently heading. But remember that we are currently inside the bullish mode still. And this is a small reversal back down, where we can see that on a 4 hour time frame, this small downtrend has been broken with this bullish candle. On the 1 hour time frame, this downtrend has been already broken with these several bullish candles. So 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame are showing that we are currently in the bullish mode, currently canceling this small downtrend. But first of all, we can say that we are currently inside indecision range area. That means between the sellers and the buyers. This is the area which is a very important one, which will define where the price will go in the future. If the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, it will go up, and if the price returns back down, it will try to move further down. So for now, I'm waiting outside of the market to see how the price will behave around this area of support and resistance. And after that, when the price makes a kind of a breakout, this will be indication for the future movement of the price for the rest of the day, and also for the rest of the days that are in front of us. So for now, I'm waiting how the price will behave, and if there is any kind of a bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the market. Like in this example yesterday that I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, I will share that again inside the group with the traders, so feel free to check the link and join to receive these updates, which are most of the time profitable. So feel free to check, and also the link will be below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have any suggestions, what is your opinion where the price could go during the day, feel free to share that also. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.